Welcome to the TAGB Club Manager software. We're going to do a quick tutorial on attendance registers. We're already on the main login page, so we've logged into the software. And if you go to Students and Attendance, we can then go through how to add people onto there. Now you should have already set up your classes so that they appear down here. If you haven't, go to your club list, find your clubs, go to whichever club you want in there. You'll need to add your venues first, add them in there, and then you can add your classes just by clicking on here. And as you can see, we've already populated this, but make sure you've added your classes in. So just tick add through. You can add in existing levels, or you can add in the student level. So if it's for 4 to 6 year olds, you can put that in there. These are your notes so you can see what's going on. Okay, so let's go back to the attendance registers. So nice and simple, we're looking today, which is Tuesday. I've got my class in my town for junior beginners. Now what it will do is straight away as we come in, it will give me all of my beginning students. So I'm just going to move some of those across, just a simple click, and they've turned up. Brilliant. But I've got students coming in from my other classes as well. So we'll go from my town, which was the one we chose, and we go over to any town, which is the other one, and we can add them in there. This will automatically go through. If we then pick all my clubs, you can see all the students added in all the way down, and you can see the towns are mixed going through. Now the next bit might be that you get someone coming through the door for their first trial lesson. So what I would do is add new, and you're just going to add in their information. Okay, so if they're coming in, this is going to be a prospect. Okay, so this is someone who's coming into your club and they're going to have a trial lesson. We've got them sat here. So Ricochet is my town, but again you can choose which one you want them to come in from, whatever grade they are. So if they've come in from somewhere else and you want to recognize their grade, it's there. Go for male, and if you put in their date of birth, so we'll just do nice and simple, and then add them as a prospect. You can see it's added them in straight away. Okay, we've got the other option as well. If we add new, we can add in guests to our club. So if they've come in from somewhere else, we can add them in, and they might be a different grade. We've got all of this. You don't necessarily need to add the date of birth in, but it does make it sort of neat and tidy. And then we can add them as a guest. And now we've got our class through. So you've got a mix of guests in there, you've got prospects in there, which will just show normally, and then you've got a mix of your clubs as well. If we then go into the training bits, in fact, sorry, we'll just back up slightly. If you then go to all your classes, you get a complete list of who's attended which classes going through. If we then moved on, I know I've put the next one as a Thursday, and our previous guests are sat in here, so we can add them quickly. We can add in prospects so we can see. Remember, we had in Ricochet, our prospects are sat in there as well, so we've got access to them just by clicking that, or we take them out and you can see Rick's gone. So that should be nice and simple to see. Let's go back. Remember to keep checking the dates that you put in the classes, and as we go through, let's have a look at Barb. Let's have a look to see what's gone into hers, because remember, she wasn't strictly on that one, so I'll go there. We'll pick out her information, and as you can see, the attendance, she's got the attendance for there, and she's flicked between all her attendance will show here. Okay, hope you found that useful. We'll find another one for you soon.